Yeah.
Ashtonhall, say one word for Granda. Ashtonhall, say one word for Granda. One word for Granda. What was the word that I learned?
Yeah.
In Bruno.
You know?
You remember the peace word that I said at the memorial? Remember the word that I learned in Bruno? It means peace.
Yeah.
Remember I said it in the interview.
Ubumuntu.
What is it?
Ubumuntu.
Ubumuntu?
Yeah, ubumuntu.
Ubumuntu?
Yeah, ubumuntu. Just to say ubumuntu.
Ubumuntu.
Yeah. Right.
So my message to Granda. Where did we go? We went to the memorial. We went to the memorial today.
Yeah.
Where did we go? For genocide. What was that place called? The place that we went for the genocide.
Memorial genocide.
Memorial genocide.
Yeah.
So my message for Granda after seeing the memorial genocide is Imamono. I said it wrong?
Yeah.
Imamono?
Ubumuntu.
Imamono.
Yeah.
For all of the people who don't know Ivy Granda, right?
Yeah.
Imamono means peace. Peace be with you. So we went to the memorial place today. It was crazy. I wanted to live stream it, but I'm glad I actually did it because I could be present fully and just seeing like the things that these people went through, bro. Like they were killing 20,000 people a day.
Yeah.
10 to 20,000 people a day, every day. They did that for 100 days straight. 1 million people died, and it was just like, it was crazy just to see. They had the bones in there. They had the weapons that people used in there. Very sad moment. Very, very sad. So peace be with them. No, peace means, yeah. Who was this? Indian Ashtonhall Kai? Kai? From here? Who was that?
वो गर्लफ्रेंड की पूछ रहा है.
That's your girlfriend?
प्रेमिका पूछ रहा है.
Oh, really? It's asking.
वो कह रहा है कि इंडियन एस्ट्रोनॉट से पूछो कि आपकी प्रेमिका कहाँ है.
Oh, really? Troll. He's spamming Indian Ash. Oh, this is what it is.
Ask Indian
Is that her?
Ashtonhall about his girlfriend.
That's her? Is that her?
वो
Is that her name or no?
मुक्कू.
That's not her name? No?
No,
No.
boy.
You don't know who that is?
No.
Oh. That's crazy. They spamming that too.
गर्लफ्रेंड की पूछ रहा है.
Crazy. We don't speak on that, chat. We don't speak. That's secret. We keep that secret. Are we gonna go see the gorilla? Yeah, I think hopefully we can go see the gorilla tomorrow. That'll be good for your content, bro.
Yeah.
Gorilla?
Yeah.
You can go see gorilla and do the cows. Have you ever done the cows in India? Cows in India? Have you ever done the cows in India? Cows look.
Yeah, dude.
You did that before?
Guy. Cow guy, my ma.
The
Mother.
Mothers?
Yeah. Cow हमारी mother है. माँ
Oh, really?
बोलते हैं उसे.
Oh, just a mother, not man.
ना मैं mother.
Mother, not dad.
गाय हमारी माँ है.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Really, जैसे my mom, गाय, cow, my mother. All Indian mother.
Oh, really?
All Indians. All Indians.
All Indians.
Mothers.
Mothers.
जैसे भारत माता की जय. भारत सो भारत माता माँ यानी मदर. और cow.
Cow.
Cow and भारत माता की जय उसकी.
So, I officially can say that I'm part Indian and African. It's crazy. I got an Indian brother and an African brother, bro. From the motherland. Oh shoot, this is crazy. Ashtonhall should be the next South Sudan Ashton. Let me be, let me. If y'all didn't see the dance, y'all truly missed it, y'all. I'm telling
Yes.
you. What?
Calm.
Alright, chat, we're 5 minutes away.
Corona brother message.
Corona brother? Say what?
Message combo video complete.
Oh, he said video complete? He said that?
ताकि post कर सकूं.
Oh, video complete? What?
उनका वो guy. In India का उसे inside ही.
Oh, guy. Yeah, guy. Beautiful. Let me be. Let me be. Let me be. Let me be. Let me be.
Oh, nice.
Oh, okay. You go, you go. Let me be.
He let me be nice song.
But sing it though.
Let me be, let me be.
Alright, go ahead, go.
Let me be.
Yo, alright,
Yeah.
you. Hold on, wait, you gotta go last. You're the best. You the...
No.
Hold on,
This
hold
is
on.
sound.
Let me be, let me be.
Oh, like the best.
Nah, mine's chill. Go ahead.
Let me be, let me be.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Woo!
good.
W's. Let me be, let me be.
Let me be, let me be.
Ooh.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, Jay said, yeah.
Huh?
That's that Usher. Call him Lil Ush. You like Usher? You don't know who that is.
No.
Chris Brown. You like?
Yeah.
All right, all together.
Yeah.
Let me be, let me be. One more.
Yeah. Let me.
Let me be.
No.
Stay with us, stay with us,
No.
stay with us.
Hey.
He's trying to leave us, trying to leave us. Hold on, hold on.
Okay, let's go.
Let
me. No.
Hold on. We're gonna do. Let me.
Yeah.
Let me be. Let me be.
Okay, let's go.
All right, ready?
Let me be, let me be.
One more.
Let me be, let me be.
Ooh, wee.
Let me be, let me be.
All right. You Mike Jack,
Yeah.
for sure. I'm gonna be the pops, but I'm in the group too. What's the pop's name? What's the pop's name?
Curtis?
Curtis?
I think so.
That's crazy if I'm the dad. I can't be the dad because Curtis got a little bad name to him. Nah, it's not Curtis. Chad, what's Michael Jackson's name? I feel like it's like a Joseph or something like that. Something with a J.
Or Phil.
I feel like it's like a Joseph. Let me. So he gonna be Michael Jackson. I'm gonna be the father. He's Tito. Because Tito had them bars too. But they're spamming it, look. Spamming it. Spam. Chad, why y'all wanna know that? W's. Let me be.
Wow, that's nice. Let me be. Yeah.
Oh my God. The way that he said the B. How you do that, bro?
Hey.
How you do that?
I'm gonna just try. I know. I maybe
Bro, I'm telling you this. You
Yeah.
need to drop a song, bro. If you do a song right now, if you make a song right now for Granda,
Yeah.
you can put everything. You can speak about God, then you can put something about genocide in there,
Yeah.
so the people can feel it.
Yeah.
Then you can put something about just like how you feel, how you're thankful.
Yes.
You gotta make a song, bro.
Yeah, I have to do it.
You have to do it. You need to start writing tonight.
Yeah.
Come on, bro.
Any station, bro.
Let me
Let me be.
let me be.
Okay.
Nice song.
Okay. That's nice.
One, yeah.
That's nice. I'll take that. I'll take that for sure. Let me be.
Yeah.
W's, man. W's.